Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is 28-year-old goes to war for his girlfriend, doesn't end well.
On January 23, 2025, officers responded to a disturbance involving a woman who had an active protective order against her son's girlfriend.
Hi. How you doing?
Electric, that's her car. Two restraining orders that need to be served.
You got, I'm sorry, you got what?
They need to be served.
An order of protection?
Yeah,
Where's the papers for it?
right here. I just came from court. They're gonna end up running through the front door.
So who all lives here?
I do and Jordan does. She does not live here.
Who's Jordan to you?
My son.
Your son?
So that's the mom. Who's this?
There they go, there they go.
Hey, hang out right here. Stop right there. Stop right there. Stop. Right there. Stop. Stop. Get your hands off me. Get on the ground.
Stop! Watch out! Watch out!
Go, babe. I'm not gonna let you take my girl. Get down. Sorry, I'm not doing nothing.
Let go! Let go! I'm not doing
Get down, please.
Yeah, you are. Get down. I'm not doing
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground right now.
He will. I promise.
Get on the ground right now. Sir.
I promise he will. I promise don't hurt him.
How did y'all bring? Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back.
Mom, why did you bring him here?
Hands behind your back.
Mom, what the fuck?
Why are you bringing him here? What the fuck, man? Oh, please, man. Please, can we talk? Can we please talk, sir? I'm not trying to talk. Ah, my fucking wrist.
Okay, stand up.
My wrist. I'm sorry. That's my girl. I can't. I'm not trying to cause trouble.
Surely you are.
I'm not trying.
Surely you are.
Sir.
You just did.
Sir.
You prevented me from going to her. You blocked the door for her to go away. Ran over my foot. And now I'm bleeding on my finger. So what do you mean you're not trying to cause any trouble?
I didn't mean for none of that to happen. I don't want y'all to be here having to deal with this. That's why we trying to leave. Every time I come here, it's police getting called. Been sleeping in the car for like 4 days. We've been here for like not even a whole day. Can I please get this thing off my bone, please? How did she almost just run her over?
He almost ran her over.
If she wasn't calling the police, for no reason.
You shouldn't be protecting her. You should
That's
protect
my girlfriend.
us. We're your family.
Why are you guys trying to fight my girlfriend?
Oh my God, we're fighting.
I gotta pick a side. I gotta pick a side between my family and my girlfriend.
Yes.
That's what you guys are causing me to have to do.
No, Jordan.
Pick a
I
side.
don't care who you think.
Okay.
As long as she's not causing problems with me or
It's not
anybody
up to
else.
you. Why is my life gotta be what you want?
It's about what's happening when she's
Why can't you
here.
just be happy for me in a house, not outside doing bad shit? I'm in a house with my girlfriend, and you're calling the police. Not please get a warning. I got 2 kids.
We're
I'm the only
past the warning.
You got money to buy me out? To bail me out?
There is no bond. You're gonna go see a judge.
I can't even be in my own house.
You think we want you to go
I can't
to jail?
even be in my own house.
You think we want something bad to happen to you?
This is what you doing.
That's
What do you think
we're
happens when you call the police?
Whole time.
What do you think happens when you call the police?
Relax.
Somebody goes to jail. My own family called the police on me. Cause I got a girl in my house
That's
that
not-
I want to be with.
That's not
That I
why,
want to be
Jordan.
with.
That's not
That I want to be with. I'm not asking my mom, hey mom, I'm 28 years old. You think this is the right girl for me? I don't care. I want to be happy in my own way. I can't. I've been sleeping in the car for 4 days.
No, you haven't.
I haven't.
Jordan, that's not even the
Where did I
point.
sleep yesterday?
Like, you're missing
Where
the
did I
whole
sleep
point
yesterday?
of all of this.
You care about me so much.
Where did I sleep?
You care?
Right, exactly.
You
How
care?
have I been sleeping? I haven't. Do you have he has my house keys and my phone.
That you're worried about that.
We could grab those.
You're worried about that. That's not hers.
All right. I check all your pockets anyway, so.
Did you give it to her or is it in the house?
Use my language, but pussy make you do some crazy things, man. This guy is choosing his girlfriend over his mom. That is crazy. He talking about like it's his house, like he pay bills in that motherfucker or something. At the end of the day, it's your mom crib. You know what I'm saying? You living with your mom, you know? So you 28, living at home with your mom, and you trying to have a girlfriend. And you complaining that you sleeping in the car. You 28. Why are you living at home with your mom? You know what I'm saying? Hello? You know, if you are adamant about having this girlfriend, but you know your mom don't like her, you gotta get out. It can't be you staying at your mom crib and you doing whatever the hell you want to do. No, it don't work like that. When you living with somebody else, you got to go under their rules. You know, if she don't like her, she don't like her. That's it. Either go get your own spot or figure it out. You know, you can't blame your mom, you know. Come on, man. That's crazy. You lucky you got a mom and she, you know, and she letting you stay there. She letting you stay there, not your girlfriend. Your girlfriend need to go stay with her own parents. Go with her parents. Like, what the hell? Yeah, they both need to. Yeah, he crashed out for no reason. You trying to protect your girl from not get what? Almost ran over people and stuff. That was talking about go, bae, go, bae. What? Yeah, they both need to go. Hopefully his mom kick him out too. I ain't gonna lie to you. Kick his ass out.
What you worried about?
Jordan, you should
What I
have been
gave her?
worried.
Why don't you try to talk to them to stop taking me to jail? They're about to take me to jail.
So that you can
For you.
For what?
Because you're mad at that girl.
Yeah, that's no key.
Because you're mad at that girl, I'm about to go to jail.
No.
Yes.
Because of your actions.
What the fuck did I do?
Jordan.
What I do? What I do?
You guys wait in the car.
What did I do? Stop somebody from going to jail? That's the girl I'm with. That's what I'm supposed to do, protect her.
Well, not
You're doing a bad job of that. So.
Your daughter.
Well, what would you do? Just let them take your
Run
husband?
over the police. You're fucked now.
Just...
Hey, I like her. Okay, I like her.
Jail? That's the girl I'm with. That's what I'm supposed to do, protect her.
Well, not
You're doing a bad job of that. So.
Your daughter.
Well, what would you do? Just let them take your
Run
husband?
over the police. You're fucked now.
Just... Not do what to the police?
Are there kids inside the house?
Not do what to the
Are
police?
there kids inside the house?
Listen, ma'am, you wanted us to come here.
I know. I am.
Keep walking.
I am. I'm walking.
Okay.
Sorry.
You wanted us to come here to serve him.
Yes.
So why are you protecting him?
No, I wasn't protecting.
Yes, you were.
I didn't want. He's
You
still my son.
clearly
He's still
saw
my-
him what he was doing,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So why are you trying to jump in and intervene?
No, I didn't want you guys to hurt him. No. I didn't want you guys to hurt him, like his face or anything. That's still my son.
Did you see us swinging at him?
No.
Did you see us pulling anything out to hit him?
Please understand me as a mom.
You're the one doing
Yes.
through all this, right?
Yes.
Right.
Dude,
Exactly. But did you see any of us punching him, kicking him, taking out a baton or anything to hit him? He was the one doing all that to prevent to go on the ground.
right. And I was trying to hold his head at least so he won't bust his head. That's all I was holding.
Okay.
I didn't hold or push him. No,
Did you see any of us do anything to his head?
I am not saying you. I just was preventing him from hitting his head.
But what I'm
She
saying
can't
is you
interfere,
guys are
though.
wanting us to serve all this, but you're jumping in,
I was just holding his head.
and now we have a car almost running you over.
That's all. I was just trying to prevent him from hitting his head.
He wasn't gonna hit his head, ma'am.
If he would have slipped up.
He wasn't.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's still
But
my
you
son.
jumping in, you're causing more
sorry.
stuff
Okay,
that
I'm
we have to
sorry.
worry about. We're clearly trying to stop them, right?
Okay.
But you saw what your son was doing,
Good point.
preventing us from trying to get to her, preventing her from trying to run you guys and us
Do you
over.
understand me as a mom?
I do.
I know he's not doing the right thing. I know 100%.
I do understand that. But like I said, you're calling us to try to help you guys,
Yes,
right?
Thank you.
And that's what we're trying to do. But you jumping in, now we have to worry about someone else. We don't know what you're doing.
I wasn't doing anything about holding my son.
Okay, like I said, you should have stayed in. You should have stayed in the car. Like I said, let us handle it. There was no. You said they were going to run out the door,
Yes, I said.
and that's why we had officers right there.
And this one too, I told you.
Handle it. Sorry. Come on now.
Like, why y'all gotta be so, like, sir? I didn't call. I'm not trying to. Okay, ma'am, I'm not trying to be rude.
She's got a piece of paper for you. You would have been served. It would have been fine. But here you guys run down the house trying to
Because we
run
were just trying to get
people over. Like, what are
away.
you
Nobody
doing?
was trying to run no one away over.
She almost. Who is that girl to you? Who's the girl to
my
you? Not your mom.
girlfriend.
No, this one.
That's my sister. She jumped in front of a car. What am I supposed to do? That has nothing to do with
When the
me.
police tell you to stop, you have to stop. You don't
We
get
don't
to
have
you
to.
Get to hit yes, you do.
We
It's
don't
a crime.
have to.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, if you want to get charged, yeah, sure. You don't have to.
But who's gonna just stop? Oh yeah, take me to jail. No one. Was you just stopped to go to jail?
Who's taking you to
willingly?
jail? Who's taking you to jail?
You guys are saying I'm going to jail.
Now you are.
Now you are, yeah. She had an order. You needed to be served an order.
Can we please just do that, ma'am? Please, I'm asking, please, sir. I got
Well,
two
we're gonna
kids.
do that. You got obstructing charge. You got resisting charge.
Can we just,
Maybe ag bat to a peace officer charge.
sir? I'm asking. Can we just
Charge
not
him
add
with
all that
everything
on?
for sure.
This is my. I don't get in trouble.
I told you we're way past that.
But you don't have to do that, sir.
Yeah.
I'm asking you,
You made a
please.
decision. Stop. Dude, come on. You didn't have to do any of that. You guys didn't have to do that. This has been ongoing. How many times have we been out here for you guys? Stop.
But it's not me, ma'am. My mom has a problem with my girlfriend. What am I to do? I live with her.
Why did you keep bringing her here then? If they
I
can't
live
get
here.
along,
The last time the police-
this is the third time I know we've been out.
I'm not trying to overtalk you, but the last time the police was here, they said I live here, and if I want my girlfriend to come here because I live here, I have all rights to bring her here until she is served with the paper.
Right.
Every
we're trying
time
to serve
since
the
then,
papers.
she's been, and every time since then, since she's been here, it's been a problem.
Don't you think it would avoid the problem if you just went to like your girlfriend's house though? You know?
She lives with her grandparents. I'm
keeps, like,
28.
fighting
I don't want to.
with
I don't want to go to her house at 28 years old. I want to be able to bring my girlfriend to my house. That's all I'm trying to do.
You mean your mom's house?
How these series of events led to this is all I'm saying.
Yeah, that's
like,
what
come
I'm
on,
trying to
dude.
tell my
It
parents.
just didn't need to be like that.
That's
It's
what I'm
just dramatic.
Sir, I'm asking, please. I'm asking, please, you do me a favor. Please.
Do you a favor, man? I would charge him with everything I could think of. Wait, shit. Charge this motherfucker with everything you could think of. This guy need to go sit somewhere. He needs to learn a lesson. You talking about, oh, I don't want to go to her spot because she lived with her grandparents or whatever. I'm 28. I want to bring her to my spot. It ain't your spot. It's your mom's spot. Cut it out. Go get your own spot.
And were you doing officer here when you got to school?
I didn't mean for anything to happen to you.
Why don't you just transport him?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Man. I can't even get a
Take some
fair
responsibility.
I told you we're past warnings.
warning. You're mad at me?
I'm kind of mad at you. I have to wrestle you off the fence.
Tico, I'm asking you, please. Tico,
What's up?
This is my first-
It ain't up to me. It's up to that other officer.
can I talk to him? Can you please put in a good word for me?
Well, he's gonna talk with you.
A good
I ain't too
word?
happy with you either.
I know you're not, because you got called out here. You had to do what you had to do. I didn't want you to.
All right.
That's what I was trying to prevent.
In the end, what should have been a simple check on a protective order turned into a chaotic tug-of-war between a mother, her son, and the law. Was this a case of loyalty gone too far?
Yeah. Golly. This dude chooses his girlfriend over his mom, the person that birthed him. That's crazy. The person that birthed you and is letting you stay at her crib, her house. That's insane. That, oh boy. Hopefully y'all last forever, because they're gonna break up. Let's be honest here. You may not think about this, right? But every person, every friend, every relationship, every person you come in contact with, you're either gonna be with that person forever or you're gonna break up. All right? Think about every relationship, every friendship that you've had. Think about all the friends that have came and gone, right? It may not happen now. It may happen 10 years from now, 15 years from now, whatever. But you're either going to be with that person forever or you're going to split. So you got to be with the people, friends and girlfriends and stuff, like, especially girlfriends or boyfriends, whatever you into, whatever. But that, you gotta be with your fam. You know what I mean? Your family, especially your mom. Your mom is the one that birthed you. Unless she's doing something crazy wrong to you that just damaged you, get your own spot and get out. But a girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, it's like maybe a 5% chance that you're gonna stay together forever. Every boyfriend that you have, every girlfriend that you have, eventually you're gonna break up. It's just the way it goes. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you got, that's just insane. So they ain't gonna be together forever, but she got a charge. but he got a charge because of her crashing out. Anyway, I think the officers did pretty good. Very dangerous situation. The mom was teetering too, because she was definitely interfering, for sure. So, she was on the fence too. But I think overall, the cops did a great job. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.